Okay, so here we have an unboxing video. Some parts from AF1Racing. What do we got in here? Oh, I'm going to be able to use my hand. This is all for the Tuono. And first off, we have USB port. That should go straight into the bike. And what else is in this packet? Oh, a little plug that goes in. All right, next. Oh, CNC Racing front axle nut, aluminium anodized black, and rear axle nut. Just a bit of dress up parts. Okay, here's all the fun. So this is a 44 tooth sprocket, lightweight sprocket. So that's what we're going to try. That's from Superlight. Then we've got, if that's too short, we have a 43 tooth sprocket. And also we have AF1's lowering kit. Now we only want to go down 10 mil. This says up to 40 mil, so we've got to do some thinking and working out what this actually does. But at least we've got it here and we can try. And last but not least, what's this? Oh, some chain links, because we've already got a chain. So I need an extra joiner in case we go from the 44 to 43. We might need to re-shorten the chain. Okay, that's it.